I like my teaching like I like my coffee. Noir.
I've seen a lot of changes here at William & Mary over the years. Teaching on this old campus gets tougher every day. Now people are saying the lecture's dead, and that's where I draw the line. But the more I look into this case, the more it stinks.
The lecture.
I'm going to need a break if I'm going to save this treasured institution.
I'll get to the bottom of this.
Welcome to this behind-the-scenes glimpse of Steely's latest project, Teaching Through Noir. What better way to teach other teachers about teaching than noir film? It's dark, it's gritty, and it's inspiring.
I don't know why the heck I'm the mobster in this. I mean, Adam insists that I noirify it.
I don't really know how to say noir is one problem that I have with the script. Noir. The only noir I know is Pinot Noir.
It's enough. I think they need to be a little bit darker, a little more noir-like, a little more mysterious, and, more about teaching and learning, I guess.
Hey, Adam, what's this film about?
The death of the lecture.
There she was, the pinnacle of pedagogical perfection. She had the kind of classroom presence that made a guy wish he was an undergrad again.
Want to find your dead lecture? Here's the answer.
But she had trouble written all over her.
ChatGPT.
I just think that the bit here about how Gen AI is the culprit it's overdone. We're done talking about Gen AI, and he keeps bringing it back up and putting it in the script.
As I journeyed on, I searched through every classroom at William & Mary, looking for a clue to who might be killing off the lecture.
Ah, Detective Bloom, are you here to attend my workshop on flipped classrooms? No lecture is longer than 8 minutes. Close your eyes. Let me know what you think.
It was then I thought I might have found the next piece of the puzzle in who or what was killing the lecture.
Hey, we've been looking for you. You've been looking for the lecture. But you ain't gonna find it here. It's been flipped.
So drop this case or we'll flip you. Got it?
Cheaper the crook, the gaudier the patter.
Huh?
Yeah.
We're doing a lot of good work on flipped classrooms, and I don't understand why we're working against this here. It's not the same as a lecture. So come to our community conversation on flipped classrooms next week.
When it rains, it pours. Every dark alley was a dead end. I needed a break, and fast.
They're not paying me enough to do this.
So, from a design perspective, Noir is actually, a really, really good way to teach teachers about teaching.
Who wants to watch a 70-minute monologue when you can watch a dark, gritty, brooding film?
How close is he to cracking the case?
As long as he doesn't learn that a Steely consult is the key to everything, we're fine.
I finally had the answer. A Steely consult was the best chance for a teacher down on his luck. I'm glad I thought of it.
I knew it all along. The first step to good teaching is a Steely consult.
When your head says one thing and your whole life says another, your head always loses.
Huh?
How's it going?
What's up? How do you think it's going?
April Fools!
So Adam keeps doing this stuff. What's it like every year to be a part of a project that's a little bit different?
I mean, it's amazing to be a part of an ensemble. I'm not going to deny that. I really love that part of it. I love that aspect. Every year, it's like, we got to go bigger, we got to go bigger, we got to go better. I don't even understand what noirific even means. Can we operationally define it, anyone? What does it mean?
If you want more innovative teaching tips like this, join us for our Teaching and Learning Symposium on May 7th.